Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with my brand new Motorola G85 Android phone. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at the quick launch feature. Okay, so to access quick launch, just follow the steps that I'm about to show. So just pull down the notification panel twice, go into the settings, and then scroll down to where it says gestures. Select it and then scroll down to where it says quick launch. So here it is. Select it. Okay, so it explains what quick launch is about. So double tap the top third of the back of your phone to trigger custom actions. And there's a little demonstration there as to how it works. As you can see, the guy is tapping on the back of the phone. Okay, so go ahead and turn it on. Then select the little settings icon. Okay, so here at the top, you can choose how hard to tap. So there's 3 different options. So gentle tap, moderate tap, or hard tap. So I'm going to keep it set to gentle. However, you can change it to moderate or hard. And then here we have the option as to what application we want to launch. So you can launch the recorder, you can open Smart Connect, play pause music, take a screenshot, screen recorder, back to home, or you can switch to the last application that you used, or you can keep it set to home. And if you select this option here, there's some more applications that you have installed on your phone, and you can set it to launch any one of these applications. So for example, if I want to launch YouTube, I would just choose YouTube. And now when I double tap on the back of the phone, as you can see, it's opened up YouTube. Okay, so let me just go back into the quick launch and give you another demonstration. If I want to start the screen recorder, for example, from the list, I'd choose screen recorder. Then once again, when I double tap on the back of the phone here, it starts the screen recording, as you can see. If I want to, for example, start a game, I would simply double tap. Whoops. Okay, let's do that again. Double tap. And as you can see, the game has now started. Let's go back into quick launch again. If I want to, for example, open the calculator, I would simply just double tap. And as you can see, the calculator has been opened. If I want to go back to the home screen, I could just set it to just double tap, and I'm back on the home screen, as you can see. Let me just show you one more. So if I want to set it to open Facebook, I would select Facebook, then just simply double tap. And as you can see, it's opened up the Facebook application. So yeah, this is a really cool feature on the Motorola G85. Hope this video helped you out. If it did do, let me know. If it's something you'll be using on your Motorola G85, let me know all that good stuff in the comment section down below. It's your boy, the Android Doctor. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.